Hi
Hi
everyone.
guys, welcome everybody to this call, which is very close to my heart and is amazingly contributing to me and my world, and I hope it's to you and your worlds too. Thank you for choosing for being here. And business, money, and profit. Are these heavy words for you? Are these light for you? So when I start pulling in everyone's energy, oh my God, we make these words so heavy and at times very contributing, and then we go to the extreme opposites of making it non-contributing as well. So what change are we desiring with our business, money, and profit reality? We'll be touching on very few brief topics. Let's see how the conversation goes. And if we will have time enough, we'll do a energy poll. Otherwise, we'll probably take up all your questions anyone has and we'll play along. Okay. So to begin with, some of you know me, some of you don't know me, and some of you, me and Anandita, are the co-hosts of this class. So, we have been doing access consciousness for a couple of years, amongst other modalities, but today the guinea pig is business, money, and profit. So, to begin with, what is business for you? Business, anything and everything from breathing from the beginning of our life to the end of our life is business. So if we are breathing, we are in business, as Simone says. And Simone Milasses is one of the advanced facilitators of Access Consciousness who does Joy of Business. And that's where I go into the Joy of Business facilitator energy and I started creating change with my business reality. And today I think वो क्या कहते हैं ना, लोग जुड़ते गए और कारवां बनता गया. So ये कारवां में आप सबका स्वागत है. So what is business for you guys? If you would like to put on a chat, if you would like to unmute yourselves or talk, I'm okay to play along any which way. So you want to put your questions on the chat, that is cool too, because it is a clarity night. So the more the clarity, we will go with the flow of it. So let's pick on the energy of what is right now, that is business. Everywhere you've made business heavy. Can we destroy and uncreate all of that, please, first? Yes, right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all 100 shots, boys, povads, creations, bases, and beyonds. Those who know the access talk, they know when to say yes. Those who don't, when I am saying a yes, you can say a yes so that it starts changing the energy of what business is for you and what it is not for you, and you can create with. So, business is anything and everything that I'm doing, not something that is defined by this reality per se, that this is business, that is business. Yes, in this reality, I may be a trainer, I may be a facilitator, I may have a shop where I'm selling products and services. That could be one of the things of what business is for me or for this reality. But for me, business of life is all about everything without even physically doing business. When I'm creating with an idea to contribute to the growth of my business or to the growth of anything and everything that is contributing to the change on the planet is business. So everywhere we make business something which is a job, which is work, which is heavy, which is stressful. Can we destroy and uncreate all of that, please? Yes, right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all 100 shots, boys, povads, creations, bases, and beyonds. That's the access consciousness clearing statement, guys. And if you don't know about the access consciousness clearing statement, you can go to the clearingstatement.com and hear about it on YouTube, where Dana and Simone give quite a beautiful introduction about it. So, Coming to what business is, what money is, and what profit is, these are big topics we keep making heavy every day, or we make it light when we have a lot of inflow. But when we make the outflows heavy, that is not the energy of change we desire a business to be. The more it has to be an equal flow of energy. The inflows have to be as light for you as the outflows of money. So everywhere you have made your cash inflows lighter and your cash outflows heavier, or account transfers or digital payments heavier, and where you have made income lighter and expenditure heavier. Can we destroy and uncreate all of that, please? Yes, right and wrong, good and bad, pod and pock, all 100 shots, boys, povads, creations, bases, and beyonds. So, business is not about me being stuck in a reality कि business कैसे करना है, क्यों करना है, कहाँ करना है, किसके साथ करना है. You just have to be in the lightness of whose energy are you connecting with in in the now. इन द नाउ मुझे लग रहा है मेरे पास ये एक बिजनेस आइडिया आया है. ओके, इसको इम्प्लीमेंट करके देखते हैं. इम्प्लीमेंट करने के लिए क्या चार चीजें जरूरी हैं या क्या एलिमेंट जरूरी हैं? डिटर्मिनेशन, चॉइस, चेंज एंड एक्शन. Determination is I have this idea. Determination is the idea that I'm choosing to do this. We have zillions of ideas that flow through our energy every day, through our mind every day, through our body every day. Researchers have proved that a normal human brain generates 60,000 ideas every day. But do we implement all 60,000 on a particular day? No, we don't, right? We go into maybe picking up two or three on a particular day or a particular energy. We may be going up to maybe 10 also. And what we go into or what we dive into is uh, the energy of creating from the space of change. Determination. I have this idea. Okay, this is something that I want to implement. This is something I desire to create change within my business or in my job. People, those who are doing a job, your job is your business, right? People who are housewives, managing the house is their business. People who are great mothers, who are taking care of kids, the kids are their business in that particular moment. We all, I mean, females here who are married, who are mothers, for them, mothering is one of the businesses that they do. That is not their only identity. So, what is it about that line of business that I can create change with? I am determined to do this. I am determined to create change with this. Let's take a simple example of a service that we are providing to somebody. I am doing, suppose, counseling sessions with students in a college. So, the service is the counseling session. So, determination is I desire to bring about change in this particular area that the child is desiring change with. We go into the energy of, okay, I'm determined to do that. We go with the choice the child is making. Determination, then comes choice. Whether the child or the person is actually choosing to bring that change, or whether their family has asked for it, whether their college has asked for it, whether your job or business has asked for it. Change happens when you choose. Change does not happen when someone asks you to do it. You may do it, you may not do it. But till it will come from within you, till you are determined to make that choice, you will not create the change. Now, choice creates the change. Now, the last part of all this is taking action. If we are not taking action, there are zillions of ideas, zillions of brilliant ideas that people bring to the platform every day. But if it is not implemented by action, it vanishes away as just an idea. So, everywhere we are not choosing to go from an idea to an action, Can we destroy and uncreate all of those time zone, space, dimension realities, please? Yes, right and wrong, good and bad, pod and pock, all 100 shots, boys, povads, creations, bases, and beyonds. Now, the second element that we add to this is how will we create money by implementing this idea? The first thing that needs to get out of that space is the judgment we have around the idea, around the people who will create change with this idea, around the team that is gonna work on this idea. Your team could be only you. For a mother, the team could be the support staff in the house. For an individual, it could be the team could be his ideas, his friend and family circle that are contributing if it is a startup. If it is an established business, you have a formal set of teams in place. But just because you are a startup or you don't have a formal set of teams as defined by this reality in place, does not mean your business cannot grow to the next level. Does not mean you cannot change it. You can choose and you can create the change. That is business done different. That is the choice of creating change with the business, with your money reality. Money follows joy, joy does not follow money. So you are the valuable product who creates the change in your business. You and your body in oneness, you and your body with the body of your business. Your business is a separate legal entity. When you ask questions to your business, hey, business, I have this idea. Would you like to go ahead with this? You must be thinking it is sometimes it sounds really stupid that how can we talk to our business? Even the molecular structure of a building has space, 99% space. So if you touch the walls of your business, if you energetically connect with the energy of your business, you will start talking to your business. How do you do that? You just ask, hey, business, I have this idea. Can we create this together? This is your thymus gland. Everyone, can you place your hands on your thymus gland, please? It is a vestibule organ. So thymus exercise run, thymus exercise run, thymus exercise run. Trifold sequencing systems run, trifold sequencing systems run, trifold sequencing systems run. What I just did was I activated your thymus gland, which is our gland of intuitiveness, which will just tell you what is working for you, what is not working for you. This gland stops working at the age of 12. That's why kids are more intuitive than us. So, when we activate this gland, we will start listening to our body. We will start connecting with our body. We will start absorbing more energy of what me and my body are desiring together. And when we call upon our business to contribute to it, wow, that is the magic that we are desiring. That is the change that we are desiring with our business. And money will follow, right? Profits will follow. Profit is not the residual income that you get after all the expenses are made. You are profit. If you think you can make profit, you bloody well can. I am the profit of my business. The cash flow is just one part of it, right? The cash in my bank account, the cash in my wallet, the cash that the cash that comes in or goes out of my bank accounts or of my physical business is just one part of it. I am the valuable product to create this business. Right? So when you are choosing you as the most valuable product, what you start creating is people showing up in your world as mover, creator, connector energies to join hands with you in your business to expand your business. It comes as a gush of energy and boom, we start expanding in every direction. And that joy of expansion is beyond gratitude, is beyond the realms of blockages of this reality. Why? Because gratitude is something that will bring in the trust, will bring in more trustworthy people into your business. Why? Because you are trusting yourself. You are being the valuable product. So, what is the energy you will bring into your business? More valuable products as people showing up in your business, as clients in your business, as customers in your business. Because at the epicenter, at the hem of your business, it is your energy that is kind, that is trustworthy, that is creative, and that is what you will expand outwards. That will create your business from a new energy of choice. When you start playing with that energy, there is something different people will start noticing in you. People will go into, hey, you've changed. Try using these tools and see the magic you create. People will come and tell you, there is something so infectious about you. People come and tell me, there is something so infectious about the guts that you have, the confidence that you have, the smile that you carry. You are always happy with your business. How is that? I want that. I was like, I listen to my business. That's why. Right? Can you be that energy? Are you that energy? Most of us are already that energy. What are we not choosing to do is be that energy without judgment. So, when we stop judging others and we stop judging ourselves and we stop judging our business, our bank balance, gratitude for the 10 rupees you have in your account instead of judging the money you don't have in your account. So वो 10 रुपए 100 रुपए create करेगा. That 10 will create 100, that 100 will create thousands. But you have to trust yourself as the valuable product to create that change. And with that, use the elemental energy of gratitude and trust for the business also. When you match up that energy to an equal, where your business is equal to you. It is not bigger, you are not smaller, you are not bigger, the business is not smaller. It is an equitable energy. When that energy flow happens, the business starts expanding because you, your body, and your business's body, when they all are in the same energy of expansion, will the business expand faster or slower? Anyone can unmute and answer. It will expand faster.
Go faster.
Faster.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Thank you, Vinayak, for that. Right?
It
When we
it's as simple as like, you if you are out for dinner with somebody, you want a conversation. You don't want the other person deciding everything for you. So,
absolutely bang on, right?
yeah.
Also, why do I have a question for all of you. Hum we've been born and brought up and we've had different set of education systems. Is there Do you remember all your teachers from childhood till date? Or do you remember the teacher who became your favorite because he or she contributed something so different to your world that you are filled with gratitude for them? And that goes for every relationship, right? Business is all about the joy of relationships that you create with people, right? And that is expansion of that energy. But when you don't have a relationship with your body, when you never speak to your business, and when you don't understand the wavelength of your business, you control your business by that what you desire instead of asking your business, can we create together? Do you feel lighter in your thymus gland? When you start playing with this energy from today onwards, if it is lighter over here, it will always work for you in your business or in your job. If it is heavy for you, it will never work for you. You need to move to the next option. You have to start scrolling with zillions of ideas and zillions of options. and not go by the reality people are throwing at you or points of views people are throwing at you. Why people leave jobs and go? Because they disconnect either with the energy of that company or with the energy of the boss or with the energy of the vision mission statement that the company or the employers created. Jo vision mission, they do themselves don't even remember what they started with, and today they are even there or they are not there. That is why vision mission statements, if not reviewed regularly, lose their energy over a period of time, and you are not able to connect with them, hence you are not able to create with them. How people do not get bored, some people don't get bored doing the same job over and over again, not out of the need of the money that it brings to your bank account every month. Those people who are working out of need will always be working out of survival mode. People who create great change in the universe are the ones who create with joy. And the biggest example, especially for Indians today, I think one big example that is going around the world, creating that change is Diljit Dosanjh, right? How a Punjabi getting out of a village and becoming a big name around the universe is because he is the energy of joy. He is doing what he loves to do. He's creating from the space of what is joy for him, not what people told him he could do or could not do. He is a driver of he is a son of a bus conductor, right? If we would go by the norms of this society, then he could have only earned a couple of hundred rupees or a couple of thousand rupees all his life. He says a very beautiful thing in one of his interviews ki from when I was a child, I used to go to the gurdwara and ask for one thing: everyone should know me and I should not know anyone. And that was so much fun when I heard that. And he is choosing to be that energy, so he's created that energy. Does he not genuinely connect with his energies? He's doing what's joy for him. So find your joy, guys. What is joy for you will become your business. What is joy for you? List down 10 things that are fun for you and then ask, if I work on this, will it create greater? Can I convert it into a business? List down 10 things, maybe 15 things, maybe 20 things, but keep asking, what is this? What do I do with this? Can I change this? If so, how do I change this? These magical questions from the Access Consciousness tools contribute great change to your business. What is this? This is an idea. What do I do with this? Can I implement this idea or I cannot implement this idea? Do I know of people I can meet to create expansion with this idea or I cannot? Can I change this? What are the changes required while being on the job? What you can create with that is not working for you? What is in my job that is not working? You can list it down. 10 things that are not working in your job. How can I change this? Ask that question. Questions will create the change that you are desiring, right? Questions will take you to untraveled terrains, which may be rocky, but can be also a lot of fun. Can be can be something that it is you. It is about you, not what your parents want, not what your kids want, not what your family wants, not what your employer wants, but what you desire. What change do you desire? List down those 10 things and now ask, what do I do with this? Can I change this? If yes, you have to change, make certain permutation combination changes in your job or in your business for things or areas that are not working. How do I change this? Then go into the hows of it. Do I speak to more people? Do I bring new members on the team? Do I maybe train myself in this skill set more? May I create more change in this area without a judgment? What is past is past. without judging it. You reach there with all the lessons that you have learned from that without judgment. People you have been judging from times immemorial कि ये तो ऐसा ही है, he does this or she does that. Now, I will give you a new energy. See them in a brand new light and ask them, list down 10 things that you desire to get done from them, whether they are your team members, whether they are your employees, and give them the printout and ask them, what all out of this would you like to do? And in your head, add the word truth to it. They will give you the truthful information. They will tick only the things that actually they can be and do. And people who are from a HR background can use this tool as a great tool in their interviews. I go to corporates and I sit down in their interviews just to create change with this. I make job descriptions for companies with the energy of what this employee or this job role desires versus the interviewee who's coming in, whether he or she will match that energy or not. When we go from the interview level of hiring an employee who is matching the job description of the job role, it changes the ball game altogether. And MDs of company and come and tell me we've done zillions of trainings, but this is something different. This is business done different, guys. And this creates more change, more profitability, and more money for your business. Why? Because you're matching up to the energy at every level. Fifth class science, we studied, right? That everything is energy. But as we grew up, we forgot all the language of energy. And now, when we go beyond the brain into energy again, into the capacities beyond our projections, expectations, separations, judgments, and rejections, we dive into the energy of what is this business desiring? And your business goes, oh, thank you for asking me this question. This is the change I was desiring. People will come and up and tell you, oh my God, thank you for asking me that. People have come up to me in interviews. How did you know I could not do this? How did you understand from the interview that I did not want? I'm okay with getting a lesser salary, but this is something I don't want to do in my life. That is the joy of creationship. Something that is not joy for you, you will only say yes, which is a lie, because people want the job for survival mode. Most of the people don't do jobs with joy. And people who do the jobs with joy are the ones who excel immensely at it. And who are not doing it with joy, give them the option of, okay, we have these more job roles open. Would you like to move interdepartmental shift? Would you like to go do another job? Would you like to improve your skill set? Ask the questions. That will create the change. Did that make sense to, I hope, all of you? Because I've been talking and talking and talking, and I think I can open the platform to questions now. So, all questions that are coming up, that are showing up for you, you can unmute yourselves. I would like to see more faces, guys, instead of just the screen. And oh, there, a cute puppy comes in. Hi, baby. Anyone desires to ask a question, please unmute yourself and ask. Anybody? Yes, Vinayak.
So how do expectations fit in this whole system? Because business generally comes with some inherent expectation about probably the outcomes, or so how do they fit in? Because they are also an energy in some way, I believe, which is going to tamper
Yes.
with.
Thank you for that because that's an amazing question. So, expectations is something in Access we call a beyond. So, all the EX words are beyond. So, you have to dive into the energy that beyond your expectations. Can you expand the energy? Can you go into dive into something that what if it does not work the way you desire it? Because expectation is telling the universe you have to give me this but only the way I like it. That is an expectation, right? When you go into the energy of hey universe, just say can I have more of this please, and just leave it to the universe to give it to you. When, how, what molecules the universe moves around it, please leave it to the universe. That is the universe's job. Give the job to the universe. Can I have more of this, please? This is something I like. Can I have more of this, please? Is a great way of asking what you're desiring. Instead of saying, I would like an increment of 10,000 rupees this year, you will end up not even getting that 10,000. Trust me. Your boss will never give you because the energy you are sending to your boss's body. I'll convert it into simple energetic language. This is your energy. I want 10,000. Want. Want in dictionary means lack, right? So your boss gets the energy. Okay, this is what he is throwing at me. This is exactly what I don't have to give him. And that is exactly what you will not get. And then you will start getting frustrated in that job. So when you go beyond the expectations and ask, can I have more of this, please? And what is right about this? I'm not getting in this moment is a great question to play with. When especially you are seeing wrongness in a lot of things, a great question to ask is, how does it get any better than this? What else is possible? And what is right about this? I'm not getting. Instead of seeing the wrongness in the situation, go to what is right about all this? What is right about this? The universe will show you the answer in a few days or few hours. You will definitely go to that awareness. Right? I hope I answered you. Yes. Thank you. Any other questions, guys? Please. The more questions we ask, the more we change. Please ask questions, guys. I am looking forward to so many questions. That's why I put a halt here. Otherwise, I can go on for hours and hours. I would like to hear from all of you more because questions create greater change. Anything showing up from you for your from your life, for example, for what hit you, what you are desiring change with in your job, in your business, in your profitability, in your money reality, in stuck money somewhere. You can ask questions about anything. I'd be more than happy to take them up. Anyone? Charu? Charu had a question, I think. Charu, you there? Vipul sir has
Hi.
a question. Hi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, good evening. So, how do you know? I mean, once you've hired somebody and so you are already working with those people, so but they start either performing a little less or their performance goes down. So how do you think? I mean, that can play in the joy of business mode and basically how we can improvise that part. It
Right.
can be it can be an employer or it can be probably your partner or it can be a co-founder. So I mean I'm going for a general perspective rather than any
Okay.
particular
Okay,
deal.
cool. So, two, three things that show up with that energy. One, what was your deal and deliver there when you started the work, right? So, what was communicated to them that this is what you have to do in this job? So, what is the energy difference that we did not ask them because they are already hired or they are already in place, even if it is a business partner? So, we cannot roll back now that we have things that we have not done. So, what we can go into looking at what the job description of the employee was or what your deal and deliver with your business partner was when you started the business in the first place. When they are not being honoring of it, you really need to sit down across the table and communicate with them. What are the pain points that they are facing? What are the pain points that you are facing? What change can you create together? What are the job roles that they are ready to give up, that they are not able to handle? They tried it, they tried to work on it, they thought they will be able to do it, but they are not able to do it. They could not live up to, again, the word that Vinayak said, expectations. Right? So business gets destroyed mostly because of expectations, right? Because when the expectation sets in, then we start projecting. In your head you thought this person would bring this kind of knowledge or information to the job role, but at the time of joining we didn't know that. We just saw the resume and interviewed them and we thought they know all this. We didn't ask, we assumed. When they practically started working, they started showing us the lack of that capacity. And that is when you realize that what they said and what was showcased on the resume, they don't have that caliber or that skill set, right? So either ask them, can I deteriorate the skill set, or a different department has an opening with this skill set? Can we transfer you to a different job role? Second thing that I do with companies, I bluntly go and ask, because most of the employers are very shy, even the HR is very shy to reduce the salary of employees. I bluntly go and ask people, if I give you a little lesser package, would you be keen on doing this job or would you like to leave this job? I bluntly ask them this question. And what most people, you will be amazed. My experience is 78% of people. I am very accurate with this because I keep my calculations very handy. I'm very much into the calculations part of it. 78% of people I did this with have come back and said, wow, that's a burden off my shoulder. I don't mind taking a little less salary, but this is an area that does not interest me. I don't want to work in this. Then I asked them, why did you say yes to it in the job description? Ma'am, I didn't even read the job description carefully. I was in need of the job. I just took the job. Most employees say that. Okay, cool, Anandita. Most people say that. So you have to ask what the deal and the deliver is and what was decided to be dealt with that they have not delivered. Now, from next time onwards, you will always, for before hiring, please have your deal and deliver ready. When your deal and deliver is ready, people will create more change, because when they have to sign a deal and deliver, they will tell you upfront, this is not something I'm comfortable with, this is something I don't want to do at all, this is something I can learn and improvise if you give me training. Currently also, if you ask them, they will say, I can learn this, but it is not an area of interest. And when they say it is not an area of interest, tell them, do you totally want to give up on this if I take this job role and hire someone else for it? Most of the people tell you, oh yes, I'll be happy to. Then ask them, what is joy for you? What job role is joy for you? List 5 things and tell me. They will tell you what their joy is, and then you will be able to mix and match them into different departments or different job roles, and you will know what position is totally vacant where I have to hire a person with a new skill set, or what people I have to ask to leave. But you have to be able to take that stern step, right? Because as it
Right.
is, you are incurring losses with such employees being there, right? You're not
True.
contributing anything to the table. So when you want to enhance your profitability, you will have to take these tough decisions. You cannot run away from them. I hope I
Thank you.
made
Thanks
sense,
for that.
Vipul sir.
Yes. Thank you.
Do
Thanks.
you have any additional questions with that? Because that was a huge topic that you brought up. I could talk about it like a day. Yeah.
I understand. Thank you.
Thank you. Any other questions, guys? Anyone has any questions? So I'm a very business, money, and profitability kind of a person. So that is the max I would talk about. So you can ask me any question. My corporate experience is about 29 years. And with the energy work, it is about 18 years. So yeah, that is the change we create with energy.
Okay. May
Yes.
I ask Malvika?
Hi, Hema.
Yeah, hi.
Yeah.
मैं काफी टाइम से अपने हर मॉनेटरी रियलिटी में शिफ्ट देख रही हूँ अदरवाइज भी आई कैन सी द शिफ्ट बट फिर भी ऐसे लग रहा है कि समथिंग इज मिसिंग
Okay. So that something is you in that whole picture. You're not there.
या
Yeah. So where are you not there? Are you doing the job? So you are doing a job or a business?
आई एम एट होम ओनली
Okay. So your home is your business.
बिजनेस या
Yeah.
बिजनेस
So what in your home does not excite you? Let me ask you that. What excites you and what does not excite you, or what is joy for you, what is not joy for you, even in your house, because your home is your business. Home is a very big business, darling.
आई डिडंट आस्क दिस क्वेश्चन एक्चुअली
Yes. So, my question to you, the energy that I receive from you right now, do you not feel valued in your family system? Truth, yes
यस
or no?
यस
Yes. So, what is the value you have attached to being valuable? Will you destroy and uncreate all of that, please?
यस
Right and wrong, good and bad, pod and pock, all 100 shots, boys, povads, creations, bases, and beyonds. My second question to you is, whom are you looking for validity from? All the validation of being valued, you are looking from your family members. Will you destroy and uncreate all of that, please?
यस
Right and wrong, good and bad, pod and pock, all 100 shots, boys, povads, creations, bases, and beyonds. So, some parts of our job are the necessary evils that we can't do without, right? Some parts of running the house that you can get done through maids and domestic helpers. Some parts you have to get involved yourself in doing. So, write down a list of what is joy for you, what is not joy for you. Whatever is not joy for you, can you take help from someone else to get those chores done, get those jobs done, so that you have ample space and time at your hand to do one additional job or business that is joy for you? That will shift your energy,
ओके थैंक यू
right?
सो वेरी
That
मच
makes sense?
या
Awesome. Thank you for that. Thank you
या
for that.
थैंक यू
Yes. Yes. So everywhere we have made ourselves smaller as housewives. Can we destroy and uncreate all of that, please, guys? Yes, right and wrong, good and bad, pod and pock, all 100 shots, boys, povads, creations, bases, and beyonds. Every time you make yourself smaller, please see Durga with zillion hands. That's you, right? Multitasking everywhere. So everywhere you make yourself smaller, see the Durga in you, who is multitasking all jobs, all roles, so that everyone's life around you runs like amazing, right? If you would fall apart from the system would come falling down. So, everywhere you don't value you as a homemaker, as a wife, as a housewife, as a mother, can we destroy and uncreate all of that, please? Yes, right and wrong, good and bad, pod and pock, all 100 shots, boys, povads, creations, bases, and beyonds. That's your joy of business. Enjoy being the true wife. So, एक छोटी सी बात करते हैं. Yeah, Hema, first you go.
मतलब जैसे वैलिडेशन आपने बोला आई डू प्रैक्टिस फॉर दैट कि how can I be greater today than I was yesterday? I
Okay.
was being in the question.
Right.
बट स्टिल आई कैन सी कि कभी एक ऐसा वीकर पॉइंट आता है कि वो पैटर्न राइज अप हो जाता है,
So
पैटर्न हैवी हो जाता
whenever that pattern is rising up, always do entity clearings.
है. ओके
Okay, you have pulled that energy from someone else's points of views.
ओके
Once you run the couple entity clearings couple of times, it will fade away, and then you will be your own energy. That is when you will realize that I bought it from someone or somebody else.
ओके
Okay, thank you. Now, everywhere we go into a pattern interrupt, right? And everywhere we are not being a pattern interrupt from our stuck points. And what is a pattern interrupt for you? So, if you're bored with the job that you're doing on a particular day, probably being the sexual energy and looking at yourself in the mirror and enjoying you naked beyond everyone's eyes, right? You don't have to get naked in front of the mirror, but you have to see your energy as a no filter naked energy where everyone else is not controlling you. You are being the choice and the control of your reality. Where everyone else is judging you, fuck everybody else. People will judge you this way or that way. You do something, they'll judge you. You don't do something, they'll judge you. So, everywhere judgment is your strong point of view from other people's perspective. Every time people judge me, I just ask, okay, universe, they are judging me. Please multiply it 100 times more and send it as US dollars in my bank account. That's what I do, right? I don't mind having more and more US dollars in my bank account. I have just stopped getting stuck with people's judgments by using this one tool. More money in my bank account. People judge me. I mean, everybody, not just me. They judge everybody. They have to find a reason to judge others, right? So as soon as you realize you are being judged, okay, universe, just start seeing rainfall of money in your bank account or in your wallet. Believe me, you will start laughing hysterically, just as I am. You will start receiving so much money. Why? Because if you have walls and barriers of not being judged, you will never receive ample money in your bank account. So, everywhere you are not the rock in the stream to take all the dirt that is coming in, the good that is coming in, the bad that is coming in, the ugly that is coming in, and you're not being the rock in the stream, you will not have great money and great profitability. When you're choosing to be that energy, कि अच्छा बुरा गंदा कुछ भी आए मेरे ऊपर नीचे आगे पीछे कहीं से भी निकल जाएगा, आई डोंट माइंड इट, right? When you are being that solid rock in the stream, the river will find its way around you, right? Without hurting you. River still makes its way, but the rock stands there. So are you the rock of your life, not of your family's life, of your life? You have to be the rock in the stream, no one can challenge. Does that make sense, guys? Yes? Awesome. Any more
Yeah.
questions? Keep coming up.
Can you talk something about depth?
Please do, please do. Yeah.
No. Can you say something about depth?
Can I say something about death? Can you add on? What do you want to know? I mean, can you ask me a question?
It's like actually I'm just asking in general. Like people they are in depth and then it's all gone and it just comes back. Like they are so free and then it just comes back and they are wondering, "Ki, Arey, we were just out of it," and then they again create something.
Thank you so much for that. So, debt sounds like death. Okay. So, when people create lot of debt again and again, and they keep going into a cyclical pattern or a vicious circle with debt. So, everywhere we have defined our threshold limits of how much money we can earn in this lifetime. Can we destroy and uncreate all of those, please? Yes, right and
Yes.
wrong, good and bad, pod and poc, all 100 shots, boys, povads, creations, bases, and beyonds. Also, all the lifetimes we decided we will not earn beyond this much. So we keep going into creating that death and a pattern and a karma around it to be going into that cyclical pattern and that vicious circle. Everything that brings up times a godzillion. Can we destroy and uncreate all of that, please? Yes, right and wrong,
Yes.
good and bad, pod and poc, all 100 shots, boys, povads, creations, bases, and beyonds. And that is something, it has to be a choice to create change with, right? It begins with a choice. So, suppose I'm just taking a hypothetical example. Suppose this month I have a debt of $1,000. If I choose, I have to reduce it by $10 next month. Can I do this? Yes, I can. If I choose, मैं पूरे $1,000 next month repay कर दूंगी, I may be able to do that. I may not be able to do that. But when we break it down into smaller targets, we will be able to create change with it faster. And when we are not making debt significant to create more money, and when we are not in judgment of us, because when we are in debt, the bank has a judgment of me, the money lender has a judgment of me, the family that I have borrowed from has a judgment of me, right? The people I have to repay have a lot of judgment of me. So when I am stuck in that ball of judgment, I am not able to break free. So all the judgment everyone is throwing at me, I desire to break free to create the change. And all the projections, expectations, separations, judgments, and rejections I have with making debt wrong. Can we destroy and uncreate all of that, please? Yes, right,
Yes.
wrong, good and bad, pod and poc, all 100 shots, boys, povads, creations, bases, and beyonds. So there is a lot of heavy energy of wrongness attached with debt. So we have been trained and ingrained in our heads that debt is wrong. Until and unless liberalization came into India, those who are from India and in your countries, wherever, whenever it came, when liberalization came in and when banks started offering loans at cheaper rates, credit cards very easily, and we became quite similar to a US economy or any other country's economy, right? That is when we started realizing that how we have fallen prey to the debt trap, right? Initially, everyone would find, oh, it is so easy, take a loan and do this, do that. No, the choice here is, are you ready to repay it? If you are ready to repay it, even with the interest amount that the bank is charging on it, that is not a wrongness. The wrongness is when you are not ready to repay it, when there is the energy of cheating or fraud involved. So everywhere we have been fraudsters of magnitude in all the previous lifetimes to create that for us. Can we destroy and uncreate all of that, please?
Yes.
Yes, right and wrong, good and bad, pod and poc, all 100 shots, boys, povads, creations, bases, and beyonds. And debt is not only of money. Some people have debt of health, some people have debt of relationships, some people have of money, some people have of job or business. So, either one we all will have right now also. We all have at least one of them. It can be more than one, but one to sabke paas hai. So everywhere we have created those debts of any of these energies. Can we revoke, recant, assign, reclaim, renounce, denounce, destroy, and uncreate all of those times a godzillion, please?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes, right and wrong, good and bad, pod and poc, all 100 shots, boys, povads, creations, bases, and beyonds. And that is how we choose to change it. When you start putting energy of change into the plant of debt, it will not start flourishing, it will start changing. You will be able to give it up. And with that, money come 100 times a day. And Do be in gratitude of all the money you have in your bank account. Be in gratitude of all the money you have in your wallet. Be the in gratitude of all the debit cards and credit cards you have in your wallet. Be in gratitude of the money you have in your home locker or bank locker. Be in gratitude of all the money that you have in gold, silver, diamond, jewelry, property. Okay, we don't acknowledge that energy as money because it is not immediate cash. So when we are not in gratitude of those energies, we start creating more debt. I can talk to my refrigerator also, and I can be into gratitude of a cup of coffee also. I can talk to my cup of coffee. Hey, thank you, Mug, for showing up on the shelf in the market for me. I know because I will drink coffee in you, you will create more money for me. I'm in gratitude of the smallest of things that contribute to my beingness, including this, my favorite cup of coffee. Right? So when you are in gratitude of everything, everything creates money for you. In the book that I can recommend a book by Gary Douglas and Dane here, Money is Not the Problem, We Are. So in that, Gary, when I read it for the first time, Gary gives a beautiful example that you can create money out of dog poop also. And I have every tool in Access that Gary has written or Dane has written in a book. I have implemented them in my life by trying and testing them, not by just trusting the words. So I had that time, we had a newborn pup in our house and he pooped and I would never clean his poop. So that day I decided, okay, I will give up my judgment of cleaning the dog poop. And I asked, I'm cleaning your poop. You have to create money for me in dollars today. I did not ask for the amount. And you will be amazed. I got a call from my client in US. He was a client who would do tarot readings with me for like $50. That time my charges were, and he would never go beyond that $50 reading, and he's been my client for a good 5 6 years now. And that day he calls up and he says, Ma'am, I've transferred $200 to your account. I don't desire a tarot reading. I desire this plus this plus this plus this. And he would always deposit the money after the session. That day he had deposited the money and then he called me. And that dog poop immediately created $200 for me. And that is example from my life. I was so amazed that things we call bad, things we call stingy, things we have walls and barriers against, when we give up the judgment of those, they also start creating money for us. So money is ready to flow into you from 360 degrees around you when you give up the judgment of it. Today, every day morning when I get up, I give my dog also the job. He sits with me. In North India winters, it's really cold. So my heater is on. He'll sit below my feet. His bedding is there. So I will tell him, if I am working, you also have to create money with me. And on a particular day, I gave him a target of go create 5,000 rupees for me today. And the next 15 minutes, I got a client of 10,000 bucks. Every time I have spoken to the animal to create money for me, he's always created more. And it comes as, I don't know how that happens. I just know that is the magic that happens. And that is the joy of creationship. Start talking to the walls of your house. Even if you're living in a rented accommodation, even if you don't have your own house, even if your house is not debt free, the house is contributing to you. You're going into a lot of judgment with it. It has given you a roof above the head. Be in gratitude of that. Talk to the walls of your house. I'm in gratitude for whatever you have done for me up until today without judging you. I am choosing to ask you to create more for me. And then ask the universe, hey, universe, can I have more of this, please? Can I have a new house, please? Can I have a bigger house, please? Can I be debt free with this housing loan, please? Can I buy my own house, please? Can I buy this house, please? If that house is contributing to you. Ask any of the questions, guys. Convert your questions the way you desire it. If that house is joyful for you, just go play with it. It is rented. It does not matter what people say. If you are happy in that space, that's all that matters. Yes.
Can we have more of these calls, please?
Oh, yes. Thank you for making that ask. Yes, we will definitely have more of these calls, please. How did I get so lucky? How did we get so lucky? Yes, any more questions?
Thank you very much. You are just awesome. Just awesome. Thank you.
Seema ji, thank you.
Thank you, guys. I think we are top of the hour. So, yeah, we are done for the day. To meeting you wherever. I'll post the recordings on the group, and I will also share the links of my upcoming business, money, and profit classes. See if you desire to choose them. Okay. And yes, bye. See you all soon. Thank
Thank
you.
you so
Bye.
very much.
Bye. Take care.